And there it is, and of course, I'm very excited. Hasselblad. You can order it right now. You can change the currency for whatever you like. Worldwide shipping, great prices, and fast shipping. 10 days, 1 year warranty. All the way to $821 to $1,049. It all depends on memory. It doesn't have to be black. You can switch colors if you want to. Well, let's go back to the official site. This is a Google translation, so it could be some misspelling or something like that from China. All right. So what do we have? We do have a nice clean look and matte finish, I guess. All right. Obsidian Secret Realm. Okay. Blue Hour. White Dawn. Oh, that's all free. Okay. I thought there would be 4 colors. Anyway, we have, of course, a physical button. Well, slider. IP69 water and dust resistance. I like the water animation. It's cool. It is cool. Snapdragon 8 Elite. That's the latest and greatest for 2025. 5 years of smooth use. Maybe. New cooling system. Okay, that's for gaming. Hasselblad Master Immerse. Well, I like that the manufacturer show us everything and we don't have to search too much. Everything, it means numbers, sensors, and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, LEO-IT 808. That is the dedicated sensor for the OnePlus. One of a kind. I didn't see 808 in any other smartphone. All right. And that's 50 megapixels, 1.6 light, which is very bright, so great for the low light conditions. Optical image stabilization, winning. Another one is 50 megapixel, 2.8 aperture, so not that bright. 3x optical zoom, that's the telephoto with optical image stabilization. That's also great. And the last one, there is no info about the aperture, most likely very high, most likely, because they not advertise it. But 120 ultra wide viewing angle, 50 megapixel, and support 3.5 macro shooting. So autofocus is available. It means macro. All right, that's super cool. Okay, so pictures it is. Only one display, matte display. Whoa, that's the second smartphone in the world which will have a matte display, and that is super cool. I love matte display on Galaxy S24 Ultra. This will be amazing. Finally, someone did it besides Samsung. And finally on a smaller phone, because S24 Ultra, it's a clunker. It's too big. Come on. Okay, 6.8 is not it's not small. Wait, okay, it's still big. All right, it's still big. Come on. 6.82, that's huge. Anyway, look at the PPI density. That is insane. You see, the biggest. Come back. Should we record this again? No, let's continue. The bigger it is, the smaller the PPI is. And you could expect like 420, 430, but this is like 510. The density of those pixels will be insane. 1 billion colors, very bright, adaptive refresh rate, and great resolution. 2K ultra high resolution. Display mate, that is gorgeous. I like that a lot. What does that mean? It means exactly like this dude. You're outside on the beach, the sun is blasting, and with a matte finish, you will see everything. That's some new power bank. Okay. All right. Bright Eyes 2.0. All right. Ultrasonic. 2 batteries. 6,000 mAh battery. That is cool, so it will last forever. 6,000 is a lot. It is a lot. Okay. AI. So we count that dude from behind. All right. AI experience. AI network. Okay. Bionic vibration motor turbo, so vibration it is. 4 microphones, cold noise reduction. That is great. And 15, Android 15 and ColorOS 15. Here you go. It is going to be a Pro version or just a regular version. Let me seek. No, just a regular version. So, important. Color OS version. No Android Auto, no eSIM, only English. Okay, so there's that. 100-watt charging, 50-watt wireless charging. Okay, and that's the price. Is it compatible with 4G and 5G network in Europe? Yeah, band 2800. It will work flawlessly, 5G and 4G. Very, very cool. I have a discount code for you, if you like to. Okay, why LG? My LG OLED is search. I didn't press the button. So
here are the search results for Pilates Sajajan.
LG, why you listen to me? Don't, please. Weird. LG is always listening, even if you don't press the button. Concerning. Anyway, yeah, you can choose white, black, and vegan. I think vegan will be nice because it will feel very nice in the hand, not slippery at all. It's always like that with a vegan, but I would love to have it in black. And blue, it's not even a blue. It's anyway. I think that's all I got for now. Link in the description for you, and it is available right now. At least those. Yeah, 2 to 5 days shipping. Great success. See you next video. I'm gonna buy it.